this is Larry of ManCave Mayhem. Hey, behind me right now, I have my 1981 Jeep Scrambler. And I've had this particular Jeep for about 20 years now. And, you know, it's went through various stages of transformation. I originally had a soft top on the top of it. And I put two roll and tumble seats in it. Because my wife and I had 4 kids and we wanted to be able to take them out and get out to the wilderness and have some fun. Well, since then I've put the half cab back on it and kind of made it more like a pickup truck. But recently I went to White Knuckle Off-Road, who is a local company here in the high desert, and they made me some rock sliders for this. And so I want to do a video on the installation of these rock sliders and kind of show you how they look on this 1981 Jeep Scrambler CJ8. I think you guys will be impressed. I'm just going to walk you around the Jeep here and kind of show you what it looks like now without the sliders on it. Like I said, I've had this Jeep for about 20 years now, and it's definitely seen its share of ups and downs. I have a 2001 4.0 fuel injected motor in it that I installed in it years back, and I put a later model plastic tank in it, which is, I think it's a 21 gallon fuel tank. This is kind of how it looks. I threw that rigid box in the back of it, but I kind of just over the years have done some stuff with it. I made the rear bumper and the front bumper for it. It's definitely kind of outdated as far as some of the newer stuff is concerned. I picked up a siren, an old fire engine siren, so that's on there and it actually functions. And I got an old Ramsey 9,000 pound winch. Again, I made the bumpers on it. Nothing professional by any means, but they've served me well. I'll take you into the engine compartment and show you what's going on. Show under the hood. It's kind of a mess, needs some work, but I installed this years back and it's functioned well. But we're going to do some remodeling under this hood as well, and I'll do some videos on that. But right now we're going to focus on the rock sliders from White Knuckle Off-Road. Well, look who's showing up here. My trusty assistant, Andrew. Hello, Mr. Andrew.
Hola.
You came at my beck and command, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
All right. So my trusty assistant's going to help me install these bad boys. All right, I got my helper lifting this because these are very heavily built. We're going to go ahead and start bolting these up, and we'll show you that process. This thing going now. I got the first screw in, and what it says to do is use a 7/16 bit to kind of because the holes on it are 7/16, and that will give you a nice center spot to drill with your 1/8 inch bit, which is right here that I have on my drill here. That'll work as a pilot hole, and then you go after it with a 5/16 bit, and then you sink these self tappers in. And I used a little anti-seize lubricant just to kind of help it go in, and an impact is absolutely necessary, I think, unless you want to be there all day. What do you think, Andrew?
I think it was a good choice.
Do you like that choice?
I do.
And what kind of bits are we using, Andrew?
Milwaukee Cobalt bits.
Yes, we like the Milwaukee Cobalts because they will last much longer, and there's quite a few holes to drill, at least on this particular Jeep here. I think we figured there's 10 on each side, so that's what we're gonna do, and we'll keep it going from here. That's all for now. Okay, we're getting ready for side number 2. Side number 1 is on, and I'll show you what we're looking at here. These are super high quality rock sliders. I would recommend these to anybody that's looking for a really durable pair of rock sliders. You can jack up on these. I'll show you what we got going on underneath here. was relatively simple. There's a couple of higher spots on the frame where I had to, if you can see those bolts, we had to actually get in there with a ratchet and do them just because of the angles that they were at. But White Knuckle Off-Road, that's the place where you want to go. And they're online. What I'll do is I'll include the link to their website, and we'll go from there. But we're going to get this other side on so you can see the finished product. And what do you think, Andrew?
Very easy install.
Not difficult.
Nope. Follow the directions.
Yeah, we kind of didn't at first, did we? Did we?
No.
Need some makeup here for this man. This is a face for radio. Okay. I'm here with John with White Knuckle Off-Road, and they just recently built some rock sliders for my Jeep Scrambler. John, tell us about what you do here.
Well, we make rock sliders, and that's it at the moment. So we've been doing that for 12 years. We make them for a number of different vehicles. So we make them for the Jeeps, obviously, for the Rams. We also cover Toyotas, Nissans, Chevys, and we're getting into Fords as well. So we make pretty much everything out of a 2x3 main rail, either 2x3 or 2x2. We can offer two different types of tubing. You can have the DOM tubing or the HRU tubing for the smaller vehicles. And once we get up to the full-size trucks, you have your choice of the 120 wall DOM, which this is, or the 188 DOM. The 188 DOM we've never seen bend. So
all right. So for us laymen, the DOM is the
drawn over mandrel.
Okay.
It's a mild steel that's put through a secondary process where it's drawn over a mandrel, realigns a molecular structure. So makes it about 75% stronger than your average HRU.
So there you go, and you could throw a heavy lift jack on that or whatever,
Yep.
and jack your whole
Everything
vehicle
that we
up.
build, we design for the user to be able to lift up the side of the vehicle with it.
Perfect. Perfect. So if you guys are in the market for some rock sliders for your rig, you know, it's the end of the world as we know it, so maybe we can do something here and send business their way. And what's your website?
It's whiteknuckleoffroad.com. There's a dash between the white and the knuckle.
There you go. All right, we're
just men in a cave causing mayhem.
Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.